Good evening, everyone. My name is Jeanette Campo, and this coming year, will have two daughters at Immaculate. Alyssa is a rising senior, and Anna will be coming in as a freshman. I also have a son who will be in 6th grade, so we have many years that will be at Immaculate, hopefully. I am also a 3rd grade teacher at St. Mary's in Ridgefield, and I'm also an alumni of Immaculate. Myself and my 2 siblings both attended Immaculate, and the wonderful experience that we had made us really feel that this was a great choice for our children. It has been a little different journey, though, than you've heard from some of the other people that have spoken tonight. We live in Ridgefield, and our children have attended the Ridgefield public schools up until high school. And we were very pleased with their experiences and their education. And when Alyssa was getting ready for high school, she said to us, like, why do I have to go to Immaculate? Why can't I stay at Ridgefield schools? And the best answer that I could give her at that point was, because I want you to love high school. I want you to have every experience that you possibly can. I want you to be involved, and I want you to come out loving school academically, socially, and from your experiences. And Immaculate would be able to fill the bill on all those areas. We have been so blessed in Alyssa's years at Immaculate so far that she has been able to take every single opportunity to fulfill that wish that we had for her. She is excelling academically in all her classes, in her AP classes. She is part of the fine arts department, where she's played a string instrument in the band, part of concert choir, and part of the school play. She is on mock trial and has also had the most amazing experiences in sports between volleyball and softball. Through all of those experiences, we now have our youngest daughter, Anna, who will be coming in as a freshman, who once again questioned, why do I have to go to Immaculate? And that time, her sister was able to answer. And her answer was, because you want friends like I have. And Sarah is one of her very good friends who is here. But Alyssa has a great opportunity that Immaculate has provided her with friends that are in her grade, the grade above her, the grade below her. There isn't a division of students. And Anna is able to see that those friendships, even though she didn't come from one of the Catholic schools that maybe everyone thinks they know each other, when she walked into the doors of Immaculate, arms were open. The teachers wanted to get to know her. The students wanted to become friends. And that warm, welcoming feeling just embraced her. And now she wants that for her sister. Anna has had her very first Immaculate experience thanks to Coach Nelson Mangachos on the soccer field last week. And she went in very tentative and concerned that she might not know anybody, might not feel comfortable, and came out exhausted, but with a huge smile. And she too already feels that it is the perfect fit. So our family just cannot speak more highly of the warmth, the love, the security, and the involvement that the school has provided them. And we know that this is going to transfer into their future. Alyssa now is applying, obviously, to colleges, and that process alone has been made so easy. You may hear horror stories of parents and students struggling through the process. It has been seamless. She's confident in going to college interviews, in looking at schools, in picking the major in the field that she wants, and that's all because of the foundation that Immaculate has laid for her. So as a parent, we feel 100% we are getting our return on investment, that the children have all received quality education, friendships, and spirituality. And we just could not be happier with that. So I hope that all the families present tonight continue to explore this wonderful, wonderful opportunity, and that you get to experience as much wonderful return as we have, and that your wishes for your children to be successful and confident and independent come true as much as ours have through immaculate support.